Good morning, students. Now we are going to start chapter 12, part 1. Light. You all know light very well, which help you to see the objects nearby you or around you. So, light is electromagnetic radiation within a certain portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. So, it is a part of electromagnetic spectrum. The word usually refer to the visible light, which is visible to the human eye and is responsible for the sense of sight. So, light is the external physical cause which produces the sensation of sight. When it falls on the retina of our eyes, it produces the sensation of vision and we can see the objects around us. So, this vision is due to reflection of light. So, there are regular and irregular reflection. When the reflection of light take place from the shiny surface, then it is regular reflection, and when reflection of light take place from an irregular surface, then the reflection of light is known as irregular reflection. In regular reflections, the incident light or the reflected light are parallel to each other. But in case of irregular surface, the reflection of rays are unparalleled rays. Now, reflection of light. There are certain laws of reflection of light. Now, first one is incident ray. The light ray falling on any surface is called the incident ray, and the reflected ray, the light rays that comes back after reflection, is called the reflected ray. Normal, the line perpendicular to the reflected surface, is called the normal ray. Now, angle of incidence, the angle between the incident ray and the normal ray is called the angle of incidence. Angle of reflection, the angle between the reflected ray and the normal ray is called the angle of reflection. Multiple reflection. To predict the path of incident rays, for this case, we need to apply the laws of reflection. However, at the same time, understand that when two mirrors are placed at an angle, the rays of light are reflected multiple times through them. For instance, when two mirrors are set up parallel facing each other, they will create the illusion that the image of the objects repeats forever. So this is the case of multiple reflections. Multiple reflection you can see in kaleidoscope. So when you see in kaleidoscope, there is multiple reflections through mirrors. You form the different beautiful patterns like that.